Hi guys, Andy from Crypto Dealers here, and today I want to talk about the project called Bitarbi, and of course we're going to do a scam check. Yeah, has the contract been audited? Has the team been KYC'd? Is there a legitimate business model behind of this? And yeah, let's see guys. As you know, I prefer to stick to trading, and if you also want to trade, if you use the links down in the description, you will always get the highest available bonuses. And if you don't know how to trade, I got the best trading course out there for you. Become a professional trader. CryptoDealers.com. Check it out. Everything you need to become a professional trader. So let me show you guys what they say here. Basically, every day many of those projects come out. I really feel like they just changed the colors and the naming. Basically, it's all the same. So let me show you real quick what they say here. You get 1.25% hourly for 5 days, or 1.75% hourly for 4 days, 2.5% hourly for 3 days, and all of this. So let me show you. The team has not been KYC'd. Big red flag. The contract has not been audited. Second big red flag. There's no legitimate business model behind it. Third red flag. And as you can see here, they just rely on, I would say, new users, bringing in new users. I mean, the deposits of the new users, they use them to pay the rewards of the existing users, and at one day or in a couple of hours they will just take the money out of the contract, drain their liquidity and run away with the money, and you have absolutely no idea who is behind this project because they just offer some scam project. This is not sustainable at all. As you can see, after 12 days 800%. So you start with 1 million, after 12 days you have 8 million, another 12 days you have 64 million, and so on. If you could do this, why would anyone even bother making a website and not collecting any fees? They just offer this because they are nice people or whatever, and they don't even show their faces. So this makes absolutely no sense. Would I invest in it? Of course not. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.